Welcome to Gourmet to Stay, episode 18. This week we're going to make a brunch food, a fajita frittata. Fajita frittata. What a wonderful phrase. Fajita frittata. It's the new brunch craze. Fajita frittata, fajita frittata, fajita frittata, fajita frittata, fajita frittata. This is a dish that's super easy and can be done in about 30 minutes. So it's nice when you want something quick, not want to use a lot of dishes. This is something super easy to do, but still really impressive. So let's get cooking. This is all the produce we'll need, as this recipe is super easy. It's great for brunch or breakfast, and it's super quick. Start by preheating your oven because the rest of the prep will be done by the time this is ready. Now I'm using a hatch chili because it's that time of year here in Texas, but if it's not available to you, a green pepper will do just fine. Now this entire dish can be finished in about a half an hour, but it can be much faster if you do the vegetables the night before. Now whenever you're cutting a pepper, just be mindful of the seeds. You want to make sure that there's none getting into your dish because it's just not very good flavor or texture if you bite into that. Now to make this a frittata, we're going to need a lot of eggs, a full dozen. Make sure you whisk this a good amount because you want to work some air into it. If you don't, you're going to end up with a very dense, dry frittata. And now for our fajita mix. Make sure you do this in an oven-safe pan because this whole thing is going to go into the oven after we're done on the stove. Once the peppers are done, make a little hole for your beef and sear it in the middle. Now I know curry powder and turmeric is not necessarily the most Mexican of flavors, but it gives it a nice color. Pour in those eggs and let it cook on the stovetop for about 3 minutes, but don't stir. Then it goes directly into the oven. Thelma keeps checking to see when it's done. Take it out of the oven and wait for all those air bubbles to go down. Then you can top it with whatever you like. I'm going with some fresh avocado, some pico de gallo, a little bit of queso fresco, and some freshly chopped cilantro. And now we're ready to serve. Now how fresh does that look? Great colors, really lively dish. It impresses and fills your guests up. They're going to be very happy with this for brunch. I mean, why go out to a restaurant when you can make something this nice at home? Make sure you let me know what you want to see next week.